Alright, next job. Thermostat housing. Well, as you can see, it's not too clever. So what we're going to do with that, we're just going to give it a wire brush with the old Dremel and get rid of the corrosion and then see what we're left with. Okay. Okay, this is the patio door window. It is glass. Okay, that what you can see is the blind behind it. What I've brought you out here to show you is if you get some wet and dry, very very fine wet and dry, this is P2000, and lay it flat on the glass, you can get the back surface of your thermostat housing with it being made of aluminium and just gently rub it like that on the glass, and it brings it up. But you must use the flat surface, and glass is the flattest surface you can get, unless you've got a gauging block, engineering block. You see how that's come up? Yeah. So we'll just work a bit more at that. There you go. Okay. Top tip, how to clean your aluminium and get it flat when it's been corroded. Right, now we've got our thermostat housing reasonably clean, the mating surface is reasonably clean. We've cleaned that with the wire brush, with the Dremel. It's a brass wire brush, by the way. Okay, we're about ready now to put that together. But first things first, we need to have a quick look at our plastic. This is plastic, the other side of this housing. As you can see, it's a bit scummy, but what I'll do is, when we've had the initial run of the bike, initial run of the engine, I'll take this to bits and give it a right good clean out anyway. Okay, groove's pretty clean, so we can put our new O-ring in there, pop it together, and suffice to say that should be watertight. Okay. Next thing I wanted to show you was the thermostat. This is a expanding type thermostat. For those of you that have never seen a thermostat open before, what I wanted to do, folks, I just wanted to show you the thermostat opening. This is an expanding type thermostat, comes out with a ZZR. So if we put our heat gun and just very very gently apply some very 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 hot air to that, and there she goes. Okay, there you go. The thermostat is open, as you can see. As it gets hot, the material inside expands and opens the valve. Right, so we've got our clean thermostat housing, we've got our thermostat. We've popped our O-ring in there with some grease, rubber grease of course. They go together. Now it'll only fit one way, you notice the holes line up. The holes line up, it's correct. If the holes don't line up, you've got it wrong way around. Again, we're going to give this a thorough clean when we've had our initial run. I don't want to spend too much time cleaning all bits up that have to come back from together again. Cooling system will have to be drained, engine knock forward. I'm going to give it a thorough once over. Start at the beginning and re-torque everything up. Yeah, we'll give it a thorough once over once we've had the initial run up. And that's your thermostat housing put back together. There you go. Start again. Right folks, we're there. We've got our thermostat housing on. We've got our radiator bolted up, piped up, clips tight. We have radiator tight, all the front bits on, water pipe. Okay, so I think it's time to lower the table and start thinking about carburetors and electrics. Woohoo! Okay. Obviously we can't fill it with water just yet because we've still got our water pipes to the carburetors. Yes, I know that sounds like a contradiction in terms, but the carburetors have water heaters on them to prevent icing in winter and in cold climates. So if we fill the cooling system, subsequently water will wee out of them holes, so we need to get that sorted out. So yeah, I think we'll lower it down and take a look at some carbies.